not gonna fucking. I'll do it again later. I don't think it is.
I wish you were able to jump. And then, like, exactly because, like, you're sitting there, taking the whole size and go, like, God.
Taking the hobbits to ours and go. You're taking the hobbits to ours and go.
What is that? How do you pick up again? A.
Did you hear that scream? That's your buddy screaming.
Buddy!
Buddy! I'm not your buddy, guy! The monster, he's not your guy, friend. He's not your friend, buddy.
Put on an outlet. Yeah, like, for some reason, like, I feel like I'm, like, he's gonna pop out of nowhere and I'm just gonna chuck it at the TV. They hit you. It hits both.
It's all three, the TV
It's
and
like
the
a
phones.
boomerang. You throw it at that.
Fuck you.
Ah!
Get up, spark kick him in the face. I'm gonna give him a hug and fuck you. That doesn't sound like it. Who the hell would come out this far to taxi? Is there a camera?
No, I think it might be on the side. Oh wait, yeah, it's right there.
I know I'm going. Fuck you!